Hi everyone, my name is Rushil, and today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about a command line program known as grep. Grep is a really useful tool for searching through text files. So one example of when you might want to use it is if you have a program that generates a lot of output, you might want to search through it for certain keywords, and grep is a great tool for doing that. So first I'm going to show you an example of a very basic use case for grep. So in this folder, we have several input files actually. So we're going to look at test1 tablecommands.txt. So how we use grep is just type in grep, and then we type in the phrase that we want to search. The phrase that I'm going to search that I already know is in there is Chevy. So I'm going to type grep Chevy, and then I'm going to type in the file that I want to search. So that's that, and now I'm going to press enter, and we can see the lines that have Chevy on them. Now another use case that you can do is if you want to search multiple files at once, you can also do that. So we can add to the same command grep Chevy with test1 table commands. We can also type another file name. So here we can do test2, and we can see what lines from test1 table commands have Chevy and what lines from test2 table commands have Chevy. Now sometimes you don't want to know exactly all of the lines that have the word Chevy, but maybe you just want to know how many lines contain that word. Well, there's something for that too. What you can do is the same command, but you can add a dash, you can add a -c, and then you can say, hey look, I have 3 lines in test1 table commands and 1 line in test2 table commands. Now there's a lot more in grep that you can do. There's a lot of features in it, and the best way to find out everything you can do in grep is to just type man grep on your command line, and that will open the manual page. And in the manual page you can see all sorts of flags you can add to your grep to search in more advanced ways. So one more advanced thing you can do is use maybe a regular expression. Another thing you could do is make it ignore upper and lowercase. So those are just a couple things you can do with grep. It's a really, really useful tool for searching through output files, and I hope that was helpful.